In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, meme coins are more than just a digital joke. They're emerging as a serious contender in the financial arena. With innovative concepts and dedicated communities, these coins are challenging traditional finance. Are you ready to explore the next big thing in crypto? What do you get when you combine Pepe with Wall Street Bets? Well, you get WEPE, which is the Wall Street Bets Pepe that the insider traders are going to make each other rich. As you can see, WEP, they choose to be rich together with already $42 million raised. I saw this article right here that said they raised only 39 million, but since then they've just been blasting off with their token. We can see that already $42 million has been raised, and the price is going to be increasing here shortly at 0.003. This could raise quite a bit more. Imagine if it went up to 10 cents, how much insane degen money will be made. If we look at staking, we only have a 30% staking pool for rewards, but if it does go up from 0.0003 all the way up to 10 cents, those rewards are just little pieces of the pie when you are going to be making a massive gain with their trades and their calls. As you can see, they already have a whole story plot of chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4, where you can buy it with your wallet. You can fund it with a card or crypto. And then from here, you can see your frequently asked questions. Why you should join the army? Well, they will have the part of the community of the movement that gets access to exclusive trading calls and insights for being a part of their army. The audit is no other than CoinSult, which shows you that they already have 0 issues, all green ahead, with an acknowledgement of only 1 issue. And no minting function, no blacklist, no honeypot, no insane fees, and trading is enabled. So you know that you aren't getting roasted for being on the wrong side of the crypto. If we look at some of the white paper, it's exactly what we saw earlier with the tokenomics, the roadmap, and the community. But that leads us into the next project. And it's going to be more than just your basic meme coin. They're going to have staking rewards. They're going to have competitions. They're having and building a amazing community. If we actually head over to their Telegram, you can see over 2,000 people online, in their Telegram group with 300 online. They are already have their white paper done and consultant done. And if we scroll down, you can see that there is governance to be had within the token. They'll have some great voting options where you can vote and access the meme index. We can see that they also show you how you can buy, where you can create your MetaMask wallet, load up with crypto, and buy and stake your MEX tokens. And if we scroll down a little bit further, you can see the pre-sale where the tokenomics are at 15%, staking 25%, marketing 20%. We have the treasury at 20% and the community rewards and incentives at 20%. The roadmap with the token launching, pre-sale, governance, and utility. So lots and lots going on for this beloved token. So definitely check out MEX token for those massive gains. Next on the list is Flockers, or token Flock. Introduced the system of vote to earn, allowing community members to earn tokens by participating in governance decisions. The pre-sale has already raised over $8.4 million during the pre-sale, reflecting a huge confidence with the investors that are in this project, community involvement with voting mechanics, and Flockers really empowers the community to have ownership within the project. It is at the end of the pre-sale, so you definitely want to look for the public launch. If we scroll down here, you can see over $9 million already just killing it on this project. They are going to have a flock off, which is pretty insane, with 306% rewards. It is a PvP, which is player versus player, world of meme coins, which is pretty exciting. Only the strong survive. Like I said, they do have a vote to earn mechanic. They are going to be telling a story within the Flock community. They do have their roadmap, which is step 1, Nest security audit, pre-sale takeoff, which already doing, and the Flock Squawk, which worldwide marketing all around. Step 2, expanding the Flock. They have Flock expansion and signal boosting, and then obviously domination. And really, the Flock takes over Ethereum. And finally, we have step 3, token listing on major platforms, kingdom expansion, taking the crypto world by storm, and their vote to earn mechanics. The tokenomics or flockonomics, early catch 20%, token breeding 25%, the flock vault at 25%, fuel exchange 10, and the bird call at 20. If we go down a little bit further, you can see that they have ways to set up. You have your gathering of your wallet, then you have connecting your wallet, get your eggs, and there you go. Further on, you can see their major partnerships, what their story is, frequently asked questions, and the rewards that you can earn with 306%. They actually are number 2 on the list of the top tokens or meme coins to buy within nftevening.com. So pretty insane. Like I said, 305. Here they have it at 325, but as more investors come in, that price goes down. Number 3 on the list, Meme Index, where they have a insane 1200% staking rewards with 1 day left. They've already raised just about 2 million in rewards. If we actually head over here, you can see on this website, NFT Evenings, Wall Street Pepe, number 1, Flockers, number 2, and finally Meme Index, number 3, where this community is giving you access to all of the insane projects and rankings of the meme coins. You can see that they have their Meme Tight Index, a collection of the top meme coins in the world, showing you which are the biggest gains, which are the biggest losses, and which one you should join in. Gives you access to the coin with the highest APY, governance, and exclusive access. You can see that they have their own dashboard here to allow you to really trade the best meme coins for the biggest rewards. You can see that fortunes will be made with the coin market, pre-sale for massive rewards, and the current price of different tokens that are having on. You can see that how the index works is it allows participants in 4 diverse meme coin brackets ranging from low to ultra high volatility, and you can stake rewards, so you can have 4 ways to play with exotic meme coins. These are your titans and your token and risk tolerance. Also allows for governance within the token, for allowing for new proposals, voting on which meme coins are placed in the basket, and dynamic baskets to ensure trading memes are always in play. How you buy meme.memex is create your MetaMask wallet, load up with your crypto, and buy and stake your crypto tokens. Pre-sales 15%, staking rewards 25%, marketing 20%, community rewards 20%, and treasury 20%. If we scroll down here, they have their roadmap, but what I love is this insane 1200% meme percentage on the staking rewards. And this project ends pre-sale in 1 day, 18 hours, and 48 seconds. So you definitely do not want to be late to this project. In summary, meme coins are blowing up, offering new utility for holders, building communities, and insane staking rewards. Be sure to check out Meme Index, Flockers, and the Juggernaut, which is Wall Street Bet Pepe, and join in on the fun. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.